Yo, what's poppin' traders? It's your boy TJ. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're focused on Hannah Forex, 145k subscribers now. She's popping off. On this channel we upload YouTube videos from Forex gurus who upload on YouTube, basically reacting to their content. And today the content we're reacting to is her trading secrets. It's an 8-minute video. If you are new around here, subscribe to this channel. I upload 2 to 3 videos every single day. And yeah, we're going to be pumping out the content. But without further ado,
in a place that's always selling you the idea of how to be a better trader, I found that it's not one thing, but many little things. I first had to ask myself, what makes a better trader? And these words came to my mind: efficient, focused, and confident. So here's how I got good at trading.
Here we go. Yo, I'm expecting big things, man. Audi car. This is gonna make us rich. This is gonna make us rich, 100%.
So the most important thing to become a...
There we go. So when you're that rich, you don't even have to walk in anymore, man. When you buy that iPhone, you got the app, Starbucks, order in, it comes to your
good
car.
Trader is a lot of coffee.
Yes.
No, I'm kidding. Today I'm just gonna get some matcha tea. Help with my sore throat. The first thing that I wanted to share that helped me get good at trading was to actually have routine and structure. What I mean by that is literally just doing a morning forecast and then setting my alerts. And I did this when I was at uni. I did this when I was working a full-time job. So, you know, working full-time, having college, university, that is no excuse. You can still be up to date with where the market's at as long as you're doing the morning forecast and then setting your alerts. I've shared this multiple times on my channel where you are just setting a level of interest, or where you might want to be alerted on your phone, on text, from the app when price hits a certain level, and that level might be like, okay, it's a breakout level, or okay, it's a breakout, and then you'll set another level for when you want to take a retest. The next thing that I wanted to bring up was avoiding using indicators and learning to read price action. At the start of my journey, I was going through all those indicators. I had about, I don't even know, 5 to 8 different indicators on my charts. Every time I would try to learn anything to do with trading and technical analysis, I would always talk about, oh, try these indicators, or try this, try that. MACD, RSI, Ichimoku clouds, Bollinger Bands, and it would just be a whole load of poop on my charts, literally analysis paralysis, where it was just a mess. It was the moment that I started to learn price action that clarity just came into the conversation. Everything just makes sense. And the reason why I just say avoid indicators is because I understand that there are traders who maybe use 1 or 2 indicators just to help them out with trading, or they do understand price action and they just use indicators maybe as a confluence but not the main strategy. And I think that's just so important, because I don't want to encourage using 5, 10, 15, 20, 100 indicators, but if you're using 1 or 2, then fair enough. But I think understanding price action, why price moves on its own without indicator bias or time lagging indicators, I think that really puts an edge on the trader. And I think it does help with confidence as well, because if I was to remove all your indicators, could you kind of tell me what the chart's saying? Can you forecast for me? So I think that was a massive shift that helped me to understand price action more, that then built up confidence to then be like, okay, I actually understand what's going here. I understand why we're quite impulsive, why price is moving back to fill inefficiency, or understand why corrective price action cannot be sustained. But anyways, all this talk about price action is making me hungry. Let's go get something to eat. So I have
wait. The thing is, right, with price action is you have to be able to kind of read the charts. Like on a level, if you have a position and you kind of do like a swing trade, right, you kind of need to understand where the trade has been previously for the pair that you want to trade. As for example, gold at 1741, going for sales now back down to 1720. This is today live trade, so if you watch this in the next few minutes, because I'm going to straight upload, I'm entering gold. We're doing a new challenge on the Forex Thunder. That's why I was just entering right now. 1741 is my entry. 1743 SL is 20 pips. Now I know with price action we're going to see sales back down to 1720 for a wick out retest, and then it's going to pull back up to around 1800 on the major key level. Now I know that gold's going to do that because of previous directions from a month ago, 2 months ago, how gold sold off so much, the daily support, resistance, all of that sort of stuff. You learn as you go. So, I mean, it's very important that market direction, it plays a big part in this. And it's just important. And with trading, it takes time. You're going to hit a sales. Shit happens. Move on.
Recently discovered Y Food, and during busy days I usually get tempted to order takeout, something quick and unhealthy, but with Y Food I'm able to have a complete and balanced meal which keeps me full for the next 3 to 5 hours. It's not a protein shake or a diet drink, it's actual food, and they have some pretty cool flavors. For example, this one is called Happy Banana, and so far me and my housemate, we've both tried Crazy Coconut, which was really, really good. I really like that. I'm so impressed.
Imagine if you had that with cereal.
Man, I'll find out all of the hacks right now.
But for today, feeling quite peckish, let's go and try Happy.
I'm not gonna lie, do you know they say like you should go to the gym, XYZ, all this? I think people look at like long-term goals and like muscle and stuff. Just do exercise, you know, keep yourself active, because you always should do stuff you don't want to do, and 9 times out of 10 you don't want to go to the gym and stuff like that. So just always do things you don't want to do to grow yourself development, and it helps with trading because, you know, it keeps your mind off things. Especially like if you're in a trade, you go to the gym, come back out, reset your mind, go again.
Banana, so good. I can't lie, I've tried things that are similar to Y Food, but Y Food's taste and texture is just on point. They've absolutely nailed it. So thank you Y Food for sponsoring this video. I wish I knew about you guys sooner. This is really gonna help me to be more efficient and make healthier choices as well when it comes to eating, especially if I'm busy. And if you guys wanna go snag yourself a little discount, go ahead and click the link in the description and use discount code HannahForex10 for 10% off your purchase. And let me know if you guys go for it, and I think you'll love it as much as I do. Thank you again to Y Food for sponsoring this video. Now, oftentimes people think they need a degree to be a good trader, but what I tell them is that trading is just a skill like anything else, like skateboarding or learning to play guitar. Practice makes perfect, so as you put the work in, your competence and your confidence grows. And on that note, speaking of confidence, something that you can actually do practically is to create a gallery of your winning trades. Either that can be from your live 100%. Trades, your forward testing, or
100% do this. And
your back testing. And what I mean by this is just creating a place where you have screenshots where you can look over what winning setups look like. This is actually so powerful because not only will it build confidence, but you'll start to ingrain those winning setups into your subconscious mind. I remember doing this a lot when I was either starting out a new system or refining my system, making tweaks to my trading plan, and then I wanted to be able to filter out, focus on those particular setups that are like kind of like my A-star, A-grade setups, and steer away from like C-grade setups. And I remember just every day just having a look over them and understanding what price action looked like, what does that retrace candle look like, what does the market look like. And honestly guys, that holds so much power, so much value, because I know what it's like throughout your journey. You are gonna have losses. Sometimes they will knock off your focus and your confidence. We will always have losses. It's just part of the game, but how you handle it and what you do to learn and to get back up is what matters. And being able to just stay focused on those wins, stay focused on the winning trades.
You can't deep a loss because then you just put yourself down, negative vibes. You can't do that to yourself. Just, you're gonna lose in life. It is what it is. You go again. You'll only get better, man. You're always gonna take L's.
And understanding that we can give ourselves the edge by training our subconscious mind to actually go look for that. You know, whenever you're in a situation and you just feel something's wrong, and you know, kind of like your intuition or your gut kind of telling you, oh, there's just something wrong here. But we can also do that with the flip side, where we can feel like, okay, this actually is a trade, you know, my gut's kind of telling me. And there is a whole concept on, you know, trading with intuition and gut and being more creative and dynamic rather than being so rigid. And I think that comes with time and experience, putting time in, putting work in to really understanding what makes a winning setup a winning setup. So this is definitely something that I want to encourage you guys to do. Then we can already be a step ahead.
No, it's a nice little garden, you know. She's speaking.
So the background is different. I'm currently in the middle of nowhere. My boyfriend has surprised me on a surprise staycation, and I just wanted to end this video and kind of bring it back full circle to what we were talking about in the start of this video, where we were talking about routine. And something that I wanted to bring up was the importance of tracking our trades and backtesting. So with tracking your trades, that's basically like doing your weekly ASR, which means advanced self-review. How do you know if you're getting better if you're not tracking and measuring your progress? So that's the importance of it. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video, and I hope you guys took some value and learned some cool different things, understood my journey a little bit, and took away the practical tip of the winning gallery. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.
Yo, very good video from Hannah Forex. Link is down below in the description if you want to subscribe to her. Obviously click on TJFX bot as well, join up the free trades. If you want to see the sell trade, still in it at 17.41 entry, SOS 17.43. Fingers crossed on that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very, very informal. It helps a lot because it's basic information, but it's true. And a lot of people wouldn't, you know, back test their trades. And if they do back test their trades, they wouldn't journal it in terms of saving it into a video. I think that's very good, man. If you're doing that for a year plus, you've got like a lot of trades, a lot of videos, and yeah, a lot of information that you can use. So yeah, very good video. Been your boy TJ. In a bit. Peace.